I'm here today with one of my friends, my talking head, Mr. Bobble Head. And today we're going to go ahead and see if we can't find a stock that we like using the Investools method. So we're going to start off by going to our Searches tab. And from the Searches tab, we've got some pre-written searches we already like. So we're just going to click on one that's already in our arsenal. Now the search that we're looking at is just for some good quality stocks with some strong fundamentals in a pretty strong neighborhood where everything else is heading higher too. So we'll click on the search now and we'll just wait for that to go ahead and pop up. Alright, Mr. Bobblehead, our stocks have come up, so we're going to kind of scroll down the page here, and I want you to look at these and tell me if there's anything on here in particular that you like. So for instance, do you see the stock over here, PCP, Mr. Bobblehead? Do you like that one? No, not particularly. Any reason? No? Okay, we'll just keep kind of scrolling down. Lots of good stocks on this list here. Many of them are nice uptrends. I'll just keep waiting, Mr. Bobblehead, until you show me something that you like. And when you like it, just go ahead and yell it out. Lots of good stocks on the list. How about that one there, Mr. Bobblehead? I see some Garmin stock on here. Ticker symbol GRMN. Looks like it's a nice uptrend with a recent pullback through here to about the $100 support level. What do you think, Mr. Bobblehead? Do you like that stock? Ooh, that's a yes. We'll take that as a yes. Okay, let's go ahead and click on the stock and take a look at it then. And we'll bring up that stock. Nice trend in stock. Looks like it's in a pretty good uptrend. That is one you like. Yes, Mr. Bobblehead? Yeah, we'll take that as another positive yes. So we got our stock as an uptrend. If we like the stock, on the Investools method here, it shows us we got a pretty strong stock fundamentally, which means it's got some pretty good fundamentals, both past history and future expectations. We had a nice kind of a trend moving sideways, broke out of that here at the $60 level back in May, and the stocks ran up about 100% since then. Huge run up, and recently had a pullback here at about $100 or so, and now we're starting to bounce back off of those. Technically, my MACDs and stochastics are both low, and the stock had a move today up about 5 points on a slight increase of volume, about 40% more than normal. I like the trend. So let's think, Mr. Bobblehead, what else do we like about the stock? We want to make sure it's got good fundamentals, which it does. Make sure it trades in a nice industry, which we'll check. And we'll see, what does Garmin do? Garmin GPS. We are coming up on the holidays, Mr. Bobblehead, so maybe that is something that everybody's going to be getting into. A lot of Christmas presents for guys that like technology, and maybe GPS is the way to go. Well, maybe, Mr. Bobblehead, buying a stock into this, something like this with Garmin, might be a good stock to hold on to through the holidays. Is that something that you're interested in? We'll take that as a yes. Okay, if that is something we like the overall trend, we like the fundamentals, we like the technology that it has, we'll check the neighborhood also. But let's talk about some buy and sell signals. So with the stock currently trading right now about 108, if we got into it at about this price, where would we want to get out of the trade at? Let's see. If we look at what the average pullback is on the stock coming through here, we'll maybe place some kind of a trailing stop on the stock at about, let's go maybe, that was a good pullback there, a little more than normal, but we had a huge volume spike. About a 15-point trailing stop loss. So if we entered into the stock about 108.46 or 108.5, if we could get into the stock and then maybe put a $15 trailing stop loss on it, so we have unlimited upside potential. But if the stock ever pulled back at least $15, we'd want out of the stock. Would that be okay with you, Mr. Bobblehead? All right. Well, congratulations then for searching for your first stock this week.